Let's get to know the File menu. You'll see it at the top left when you're creating. You'll be given the option to create a new project, edit a copy, move to another folder, rename your project, save as a template, and other options. Let's edit a copy. When you click Edit a Copy, it'll create a brand new project. PicMonkey will automatically add the word copy so that you know that you're editing a copy. Feel free to rename your file. In this case, I made a copy of my design so I can do some A/B testing of my Pinterest pins. I'm going to make some subtle changes to the colors and to the images. In this way, I can see which creative performs better. Editing a copy has tons of benefits. One of them is that you don't have to start from scratch. And it's a great way to keep designs consistent if you're creating more than one. For example, an Instagram story, edit a copy every time you have a new slide, and just change the format and the text. Click on this icon on the bottom toolbar to see the before and the after. And we did that in just a few clicks. Now if I head back home or to my hub, I can see both my designs are there, saving real time as I design.